Here is the RAGBRAI forecast for today. This is the weather forecast video for Saturday, July the 28th, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening. Fairly quiet across the country. A few clouds over the mid-Atlantic into the southeast with a few storms. Some over the eastern Ohio Valley, plains, and in the desert southwest with the monsoon. And quiet and clear everywhere else. Watch morning map from before midnight. Oh, the famous heat advisory is back from Kansas City down to Wichita and Oklahoma City. Some flood issues across the eastern Ohio Valley and fairly quiet elsewhere. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock. Showing possibly some decent rains around here, even though it says up to 1.5 inches. We're looking at anywhere between about 1/4 and 3/4 of an inch with some isolated heavier totals. So let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. The 594 heat ridge just to our south in the area where there is that heat advisory. Some disturbances riding along the periphery of it could bring some showers and thunderstorms across the state here today in western Iowa and into late this evening and overnight in the central and eastern counties. Sunday we could see it once again, possibly early Sunday morning and then again Sunday afternoon. Temperatures both days, today and tomorrow, highs in the 80s. Monday will be mostly sunny, highs mid-80s to lower 90s possible. Warmest west, coolest east, with mostly sunny skies. Heading into Tuesday, the GFS wants to paint a shower or storm scattered about across the state. It looks to remain dry with highs a couple degrees either side of 90. Same story goes for Wednesday. Temperatures a couple degrees either side of 90, with mostly sunny skies, and any threat of rainfall will be well to our east and to our south. Even in here to Thursday, we have another disturbance coming down that periphery of that heat ridge that'll be to our south and west. So this could spark off an isolated shower or storm once again. Temperature still around 90, and even into Friday, there could be another disturbance coming past that could spark off another isolated shower, but this will be very spotty and not everybody's going to see rain. And a week from today, on August the 4th, next Saturday, we have another disturbance to our west. Heat mainly to our south, a bit of a zonal flow across the country, and this could spark off some showers and thunderstorms as well. But again, this will likely be very isolated, spotty, and some places could get a lot of rain, and some places may not even see a drop. A couple days later, on August the 8th, pretty big vortex over northern Canada, but around here we have a zonal flow. The heat is down to our south and west at this point, and that means a lot of the activity, however, is going to be along the east coast, the southeast, with the daytime heating, and with this frontal system moving across Canada that could spill into the northern plains with some storms there. And at the end of the forecast on the 12th, the 594 ridge is back again. Storm track near the U.S.-Canadian border, although there will be some energy up in Minnesota if this is right. That could bring some showers and thunderstorms that may clip the northern counties. So there's a lot more chances of rain coming, but it's going to be very isolated, very spotty, and not everybody will see rain, and that's unfortunate. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Sunday.